Coffee shop ba with spacious parking, delicious food and drinks in Candon City ang hanap mo? Well, tara at samahan niyo ako to try some of their best-seller products and let's see if pasado ba sa ating pandasa and budget. It's another day, another video! I like that this coffee shop has a lot of options sa kanilang menu. From freshly baked pastries and cakes, meron din silang pasta, chicken wings, and sandwiches. And hindi lang yan! Meron din silang rice meal or combo meal if you are really starving. They have classic and signature drinks and specialty coffee from their list too. But if you're not a big fan of coffee, no worries dahil meron din silang non-coffee drinks like fruit teas and other milk series. And here's their menu naman for their milk tea. For our order, we tried one of their classic drinks, the Spanish latte, and one of their signature drinks too, the brown sugar shaken espresso. And both drinks are really good. No joke mga kumars, a must-try talaga ito. Just request to their friendly barista to adjust the sweetness if you have concerns about your sugar level. For our food, we tried naman the sandwich wrap and French toast. Both are also a must-try. Natamisan lang ako ng very light sa French toast since it has cinnamon powder, drizzled with chocolate syrup, and may ice cream topping pa. But still, naubos ko. And if you're looking for some Ilocano delicacies naman to go with your coffee or simply take home as a pasalubong, meron din silang local products from the famous The Sisters Royal Bibingka. They deliver daw on a daily basis kaya you can also purchase from them. Store hours start as early as 7 a.m. up to 9 p.m. from Sunday to Thursday and 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. naman from Friday to Saturday. High Cups is located pala along the National Highway within the LAJ building, Kalawaan, Candon City, Ilocos Sur. You can also check their page for inquiries. So on your next coffee date, you know the drill. Yun lang for now. Agyamanak!